Hi all and welcome to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley Moore for the stadium update. People have been asking where I've been last week. I'll explain while I'm flying around the ground and doing a little look over, let you all see. So let me get above the cranes, then I'll explain where I was last week. So you can see it's really coming along now. It's corners joining up. Yeah, what it was last week is we're given time slots by Everton to get our drone work done, and it's silly times of a Sunday morning that you have to come down and get it done. And my boys play football over Sunday, so the one thing I won't do is miss my boys playing football over Sunday. So I didn't get it done in time slots, but now I'm seeing other videos from other YouTubers who are just flying when they want, and I'm trying to stick to the rules, and everyone else is just flying the drones when they want over the site. So this is Sunday afternoon. It's, what time is it now? 3:30 Sunday afternoon. So yeah, so as we need more guidance on when we can, on when you want us to fly, because according to the Civil Aviation Authority, if I'm sticking to my distances and, you know, not flying irresponsibly, I can fly when and where I want. And I'm trying my best to stick to these guidelines that you want. So if we can have more guidance on what you want and why others are allowed to fly and others aren't, then please let me know, because I'm intrigued to find out. But yeah, my lad played this last week, and he scored. One of my lads played last week and scored a goal. The other one's a goalie, so there's not much chance of him scoring many goals. But yeah, I'll put his goal on here. You know, you can have a look at that. Yes! Yes! Come on! Yeah, so the guidance is a bit fuzzy, of when we can fly and when we can't fly. Okay, so that's where I was last week anyway. I just wanted to stick to the rules of what we're given. I couldn't fit in the time slot given, so I didn't do a video. So that's where I was. So after all the questions last week, someone's put on, someone's commented saying, if you watch the video by Lang, it gives a more detailed outline of what's going to go on. But as people know, I don't like watching the videos, because it's pointless doing these things, you know what I mean? I like to find things out on my own, or if there's a specific thing, then I'll just Google it, as I don't want to. As I don't want to just go off one video, you know what I mean? I know it's the official video by the construction company, but I like to find things out somewhere. I like to explore, if you like. Okay. People like the night photography, not photography, the night drone video was done. So I'll be doing more at night. Okay. Let's have a look over the city, because when I done this shot at night, people want to know what that building was. with the multicoloured lights on. You can't see it now because it's not night. But that's that name the road's totally gone out my head. It'll be on the screen now. But it's there. I've done a video on it before. When people are going about the rust proofing. Now someone's put a pretty good comment on, so I'm reading this word for word. Powder coating or a galvanised outer layer accounts for a sacrificial layer which will combat any future oxidation problems. Okay, so I hope that answers that one once and for all. Just looking down at the south stand there, because this seems to be the main stand that everyone wants to look at. Not the main stand, but you know, these stands that people want to look at. And it is good, as I say. The drone doesn't give it any doesn't do it any justice. But the corners look at it. And I'm a Liverpool fan, I think that looks amazing. Oh yeah, the gaps in the terracing is to allow for temporary support for the roof trusses that are going to be going up. I've seen this on where Mr. Jones' video, he's mentioned that, so if you're seeing his videos then you know exactly what that means. Also, someone's commented, I think it was when I mentioned about the water and stuff, and someone's put every element of the build is top-notch marine grade. That's going from the concrete to the steel to everything that's used in the building of the grounds. Okay, just get to a couple of more points, 3 or 4 more points. Someone said, is it true that this stadium will be finished before Liverpool's Anfield Road stadium? I think I can confidently answer this and say no, it won't be. It's scheduled for the 24-25 season, not to be finished, but that's when it's going to be ready to open, so it'll be finished before then. All that weight down there, really building up that now, because I haven't been down here for 2 weeks. So it's a big change that I'm seeing. Yeah, so Danny Road will be finished early next year probably, as it's going to be open for next season. Okay. Yeah, the multicoloured lights, have covered that. People didn't realise, after I mentioned last time, how few games they got left at Goodson Park. So if you're a Blue and you haven't been for a while, you know, I'm a Liverpool fan and I wish I could stand on a cop again. I last stood on a cop when I was 11 years old, and I wish I could do it as an adult. I wish I could take me the kids to stand on the cop, but that's gone. So yeah, get down there, get your kids down there, do what you can to get a ticket for there, because I think next season they're going to be as red as rocking horse poo. So I'm walking past, I'll let them walk past before I carry on. A couple of Blues must be going to match. Must come down to have a look at Bramley Moore before the 7 o'clock kick-off tonight. Yeah, someone said that they I mentioned this a while ago about the smell. Someone said they come down to have a look at Bramley Moore, and they said the smell was horrendous. And when that smell is letting off, it does stink down here. But they're asking if there's going to be a solution to that with there's going to be catering vans, you know, people are going to be wanting to eat around here, so you can't eat with that smell going on at all. So if anyone knows the answer to that, because if you didn't know, to the left there is the water treatment centre, and it does smell when that thing's letting off. It right now it doesn't smell at all. I can't smell a thing. So maybe there's times when it will be letting off and times when it won't be letting off. So hopefully it won't affect match days. Right, I'm going to get nice and low now, and I'll do my sweep across the south stand, and then I'll end it there, because I want to get to Goodson Park tonight. Just something I want to do. I'm not going to say yet. So let me just. What the hell? I feel like I'm going dead slow. This is in sport mode, and it goes at 30 mile an hour in sport mode, but it seems like it's going really slow. We're getting nice and close. Keeping over the dock, so I'm not annoying anyone, annoying any building companies. Okay, you can see all the levels in there now. That's really good. Oh, can I get the whole stand down? There we go. Getting high wind warnings on my screen, but my drone should handle it. Okay. And I'm gonna scan across there. That's my sweep of the stand done. Right there, let's just have a look at this corner as well. Check I'm not close to anything. Going across the offices, above the offices, sorry, not across them. You can have a good look inside there as well. Yeah, it looks great, doesn't it? Yeah, one more thing I noticed, so I'll head over there now. Here's the, let's get on the roadside, and so where they got them, the hoardings, the boards up, is where they're doing the cutouts, and there's one there, and the other one is down this end. Just there, they got the cutouts done. That's going to be extra access to the site, and obviously the fan plaza, loads of work going on there. Yeah, it's looking really good, the way it's coming on, leaps and bounds. So I'm going to get in the air now, going to get right up, going to look towards Goodson Park. Cut the planes tonight, so I want to see if floodlights are on yet. Let's have a turn around and have a look. No, can't see anything. No, a little bit earlier than for the floodlight to be on, but yeah, there's where to go to have a look. Right, anyway, again I apologise for no video last week, so it will be every week now. If I can't make this Sunday because of my lads both my lads playing football, it will be at some point. It'll just be another night time one probably. So yeah, thanks for everything. Thanks for everyone that subscribed, thanks for everyone that comments, liking helps my videos, and I just appreciate every single one of you. Okay, if you are watching this and you're not subscribed and you like the videos, consider subscribing for me. It really helps me out. And on that note, I will speak to you all soon. Bye.